I'm Erina and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to give you some wonderful haircare tips which I followed in my life. So before starting with the video, I will request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel. So yes, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Girls, I have followed these tips like past 2 years and this gives me my wonderful result, like shiny silky hair, frizz-free hair. So first tip is when you shampoo your hair, always use shower, because rinsing is very important. But rinsing plays a very important role in our hair. Okay, so you have to make sure that whenever you do shampoo, you will rinse it properly, and for that use shower. And every day I will suggest you to do shampoo every day, and if it's not possible for you to do every day, do it every alternative day. Okay, because that will keep your hair long lasting. Tip number 2 is whenever you do shampoo, use hair serum instead of hair conditioner. If you are very fond of with the conditioner, then make sure you are rinsing it properly. Otherwise, what will happen if the rinsing will not goes easily, so that can be the reason for your hair damage. Next is if you are very fond of with hair oiling, because I am not doing hair oiling like last 2 years. I only follow hair shampooing my hair serum and spa every month. That's it. So if you are fond of with hair oiling and all, so go for it, guys. But don't oil your hair last night. Like before, like at night, you need to keep your skin, your hair to get relaxation. So whenever you oil your head, it should be just half an hour before you do the shampoo. Okay, next, do not comb your hair when it is wet, because that time our roots are very loose. If we use hair combing, if you do hair comb, so that can be the reason for the hair breakage, hair loss. Sorry guys if I'm fumbling, or if my some English and some words are fumbling and doing wrong, so please forgive me, because it's my first video and I am little bit of nervous. So I need your support to give you the best of mine. I'm trying level best. I just need your support. That's it, girl. Okay, let's continue. Always use comb when your hair is completely dry, and I will suggest you to use paddle brush. Okay, because when you use paddle brush, that will what I can say, that can give the blood circulation in a proper way. And the next is try not to use hairstyling tools, because hairstyling tools, when we use that time, our scalp gets very dry because of the heat, and that can play the major role for the hair dandruff, for hair breakage. That takes out all the natural oil, all the natural moisture from our hair. So that will be my suggestion. And very importantly, do hair spa every month. Okay, if you find it very costly to go to salon and do it, yes, I know hair spa is very costly when it's up to hair salon and all. So not to worry, girls. If you want to know how to do hair spa at home very easily with minimal cost, so do let me know and give me too many comments so that I can make a video on this topic. Okay, next one is if you want your hair to be long lasting, so do just before going to bed, just comb your hair with a big tooth comb and tie it up with a rubber band. Okay, not too tightly, loosely. That's it. So that your hair can be detangled next morning also. these are the few tips which I follow in my life, and that has given me a great result. Because seriously girls, previous like before last 2 years, my hair was very frizzy, very rough, and it was not working in a proper way. So I used to maintain all these things like last 2 years, and my hair is like ooh la la, very nice, and I got lots of compliments about my hair and all. So yes girls, please, if you find this video helpful for you, so do not forget to like my video and like this video, and please share it with your friends. And if you want to know something about a hair care or something else, or if you want to give me any suggestion, so please do let me know and give me too many comments. And please girls, please guys, please friends, everyone, please, I'm requesting all of you to subscribe my channel. And if you have already subscribed to, then do not forget to hit on the bell button so that you can get the notification for my future videos. So that's it for the day girls. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, lots of love, and see you soon on my next video.